So I had the pleasure of attending the In the Know global event. It was to do with content to creator, and it was their first chance to kind of meet a lot of the people that they work with at the event. And I brought my friend along, and we had the most fun time getting to hear about what it means to be a content creator versus an influencer, the strategies behind it, and what brands look for. It was a really useful talk, and I really learned a lot after having heard from all these different people from different parts of the industry, and it was lovely to kind of get a different perspective. So I thought that in all, I really enjoyed this, and I really want to attend similar ones in the future. Want to congratulate In the Know again for a great event, and it was just a wonderful opportunity to network. So highly recommend it if it does come up again. It's something that we should all do if we are content creators.